Chenro mar thieth e kaunti ma Busia oyudo ng'ikruok tok jochiw thieth e kaunti no dhi e ng'anyo kaluwore ni singo magi ma bende pod ok ochopo kare gi sirkand kaunti no. Ka giloso e liare mar od bura kata od thieth maduong' ma Busia, jochiw thieth go kotelnegi kod jagoro mar riwruok mar nurses e kaunti ma Busia James Mosogut oseyo sirkand kaunti ma Busia motelne kod gavana Paul Otuoma ni ok osebedo ka ng'iyo chal magi moriwo ndiko ji e tich e jochiw thieth kendo gideko mar chudo osara magi e kind mamoko.
We are telling the governor that today the nurses of this county are downing tools. We will not come back until the issue of shortage, as you've heard our members complain about, the issue of shortage has been sorted.
Hakuna kitu yenye tunaona serikali inatusaidia. Sisi tumeshinda tu hapo na hiyo pesa kidogo ambayo wanatupa. Tunafanya kazi sehemu na wenzetu, lakini sisi tunapewa hiyo pesa kwa hizo miaka zote 5 na bado tunahesabu miaka zingine.
Hakuna mahali ukiajiriwa kazi utakuwa unalipwa mshahara nusu, deduction haziendi, kwa banka haziendi, kwa sako haziendi. Kila mahali saizi tuko CRB. Sasa kama ofisa unashindwa kufanya kazi.
Tumekuwa na shida mingi sana, especially upande wa shortage ya nurses. Unapata one nurse ako allocated so many patients in a ward, ambayo inafanya mgonjwa anapata quantity badala ya quality care.
You cannot just be overworked and overwhelmed by patients. One nurse attending to almost 50 patients in a day, that is overwhelming. We are tired, we are tired, we are tired.
At the moment, Chapter 2, Article 10 has been violated because most of the nurses are stretching so much. We cannot be deducted money and it's not remitted, and everything is business as usual. Yesterday, it was noted that the county government of Busia has a lot of corruption. If priority is not taken into place, money is being swindled everywhere. They take the money, they use it for other nonsense, and they leave the health sector to scramble. How do we help our community? How do we help those who are living within ourselves? It's a